Issuing a check is the conventional way of payment that is in practice for a long time now. The more we know about checks, the more beneficial it is for us. Hi, I am Apurva from ClearTax. In this video, I'll be sharing information about what a check is and the different types of check available. A check is a document you can issue to your bank directing it to pay the specified amount to the person whose name is borne on the check. Did you know? Checks are also called negotiable instruments. In banking terms, a negotiable instrument is a document that promises its bearer a payment of the specified amount on furnishing the document to the banker. Before you learn the types of a check, you must know a couple of terminologies related to a check. The issuing party is called the drawer of the check, and the person whom it is issued to, or the person whose name is mentioned on the check, is called the drawee. Here are the types of checks that are in use in India. 1. Bearer check. A bearer check is the one in which the payment is made to the person who is bearing or carrying the check. These checks are transferable. If you carry the check to the bank, you will get the payment. The bank does not require any other authorization from the issuer to make the payment. How to identify a bearer check? You know it is a bearer check when you see the words "or bearer" printed on them. 2. Order check. Payment against such checks can only be issued to the person whose name is mentioned on the check. The bank will perform background verification to authenticate the check bearer's identity before releasing the payment. Strike through the words "or bearer" to convert the check into an order check. 3. Cross check. A cross check contains two sloping parallel lines with the words "account payee" written between the lines on the top left corner. The lines ensure that, irrespective of who presents the check, the payment will be released only to the person whose name is written on the check, that is, to the payee's bank account. These checks are relatively safe because they can be encashed only at the drawee's bank. 4. Open check. An open check is basically an uncrossed check. This check can be encashed at any bank and the payment can be done to any person bearing the check. This check is transferable from original payee to another payee. The issuer needs to put his signature on both front and back of the check. 5. Post-dated check. This check bears a later date of being encashed. Even if the bearer presents the check to the bank immediately after receiving it, the bank will only process the check on the date mentioned in the check. This check stands valid past the mentioned date but not before. 6. Stale check. A check past its validity, that is 3 months from the date of being issued, is called a stale check. 7. Traveler's check. Foreigners carry traveler's check on vacations instead of carrying hard cash for security reasons. Such checks issued by one bank can be encashed in the form of currency at a bank in another location or country. Traveler's checks do not expire and can be used for future trips. 8. Self-check. You can identify self-checks by the word "self" written in the drawee column. Self-checks can only be encashed at the issuer's bank. 9. Banker's check. The amount specified in the check is debited from the customer's account and then the check is issued by the bank. This is why banker's checks are also called non-negotiable instruments, as there is no room for banks to dishonor such checks. Banks issue such check on behalf of an account holder to make a remittance to another person in the same city. Upon expiry, that is 3 months, they can be revalidated subject to specific conditions. I'm sure you learned something new today. Thank you.